morning everyone. I hope that you've all had a lovely Christmas and all the very best for 2021, because when you're going to see this video it's going to be the new year. So I hope that you've all had the best possible Christmas that you could have, and I hope 2021 is going to be a healthy, happy new year for us. I think after 2020 things can only get better really, so I'm staying positive. There were lots of blessings to be grateful for throughout 2020, and I just hope that you were lucky enough to have some blessings also. Today I'm taking my Christmas decorations down. This did take me 2 days, so this video is part 1 because I didn't want the video to be too long, and as you are aware there are a lot of Christmas decorations around my home, but I do hope that this video gives you some ideas on how you can store your Christmas decorations, and I will link all the items that I can find in the description box down below. I did use wheelie bin liners, as you can see, to cover up the pencil Christmas trees and to cover up my nutcracker, which was one of my Christmas gifts from Lee, and they worked perfect. I didn't need to use 2, and I picked these wheelie bin liners up from Home Bargains. I think they were £1.29 for 6. And the Christmas tree storage bags that you'll see me using throughout today's video were purchased from Amazon.
Love again, make it undone, 'cause my heart is breaking. What can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone.
As you can see, I've just had to change my jumper because the bits of snow flock were sticking all over it, and I needed to take the garlands down from above the window. I did secure these with screws, so it was really easy for me to remove the garlands. As you can see, it literally took me 2 minutes. It took Lee a lot longer to put them up than it took for me to take them down, and I just took the screws out of the ceiling. I've popped a little tiny bit of filler over the hole, but I know exactly where the hole is for next year for when I put those garlands back up, because I absolutely love them. I just think they finish the room off lovely, and I will definitely put the snowflock garlands above the window again next year.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse.
Now, when them garlands were put up on top of my window, I didn't realise that I would not be able to get the shutters open. So the whole time that the garland was above the window, which I think was around 5.5, 6 weeks, my Christmas decorations were up for, I haven't been able to open the shutters, so I haven't been able to clean the windows. I have cleaned the shutters, but obviously I couldn't get to clean the windows, so I was desperate to do it, and there was no better feeling than cleaning the shutters and giving the windows a good clean. It was surprising how dirty the windows were on the inside. I was quite shocked by it, to be honest, but there was no better feeling than cleaning the windows and getting them all sparkly clean, because they were not done for over 6 weeks.
With me, I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down, down, down? How can I long for you feeling so small? Love should be everything or not at all. My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me.
Those little bits of snow flock got absolutely everywhere, so a quick hoover just to get the bits of snow flock up, and I'd say that's pretty much the dining room done. I just needed to clean off the dining table, and it felt lovely to have all the decorations down. And please let me know if you're the same as me, but does your house feel really big when you take the decorations down? I felt like the rooms looked absolutely massive because the decorations were no longer there. I don't know whether it's just me, and my rooms aren't really big. I do have quite a long room, but they're only narrow really. The rooms aren't very big, but it feels like I had a ton of space and it just felt great. The only problem I had was actually storing all the Christmas decorations, because this year I had purchased a few more pencil trees and lots more decorations, plus I also have the 9-foot Balsam Hill Christmas tree to store. So I would love to know how you store your Christmas decorations. Do you put them all in the loft? Because I've also got the Nutcracker this year as well, and he's 6 foot, and Lee did struggle to get the Nutcracker into the loft because it's so big. So what happens when I take the Christmas decorations down, I put them all into the bags, and then Lee carry them upstairs and get them into the loft space. So I've not yet been into my loft just yet to see how it's looking up there with decorations, but I've got a feeling when I do, I'm going to be surprised, because Lee said, when you go up there, be prepared, because there are decorations and Christmas trees. Bear in mind, the Christmas trees are still erect, so they've just got bin liners over them, which has probably taken up a lot of space up there, but I dread to think of it, to be honest.
Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go of the days I wish we had? Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Wishing we'll end up together, you. I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense.
Now we're moving on to the lounge, and these red bags have been amazing. I did purchase them from Amazon, and I will link them in the description box down below for anybody who wants to purchase them. But I literally just popped the garland in, zipped it up, and it was perfect for storing all those bits. I put the nutcrackers in, as you can see, and the stars and the little gift boxes that were at the side of the fireplace, all fitted into that bag easily. I think this bag can store up to an 8-foot Christmas tree.
Wanna escape your thoughts for a little while, but when you close your eyes, I'm by your side, babe. You'll find me there dancing in the crowd. You tell yourself that it's over, but you see my face on all the strangers' doors. So are you sure that it's over? Because your eyes
comments that I get an awful lot on my cleaning videos is that I look like I'm just cleaning a clean house. So what I'm going to do in 2021 is really take the time when I'm filming my cleaning videos to show you exactly what I am cleaning. You can see me pulling the bits out now at the side of the fire. I do have 3 dogs. My dogs don't molt, but they still do lose little bits of fluff fur. So there is quite a bit of dust there. Plus they come in after having a drink of water or being out in the garden, and as you know, my garden is grass, so it gets quite muddy, and they shake their heads, splash water everywhere, which ends up all over the fire, all over the mirrored furniture, all over my kitchen cabinets. And I kid you not, my house gets very, very dirty, and I promise throughout 2021 I'm going to show you that. Anywhere I'm cleaning, I'm going to give you a close-up so you can see that it's not actually as clean as it looks. Now, I am a very house-proud person, and I will never stage my home for YouTube. I'm here solely to inspire and motivate and encourage people to maintain a lovely, clean home, to basically be a homemaker, and to give you that little bit of inspiration and motivation that you need, and obviously to decorate on a budget and all the rest of it. But I really need to emphasize that my home is very clean, but it also does get quite dirty, and I'm more than happy to share that with you all in my future videos.
Thinking, babe, your thoughts are only getting louder. While you are up in space, I sit here by myself. Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips, so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over, over.
And just as I say, I don't stage my home for YouTube. My kitchen island looks like this. But this is obviously, we've just had New Year, New Year's Eve, and they are bits that I've been using to clean the kitchen and then just dump them onto the dumping ground, which is our kitchen island. But it takes me 2 minutes to clear that away because everything has a home, and it takes me 2 minutes to just pop things back, and the kitchen will be nice and clean before you know it.
Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips, so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over, over.
And this is the end of part 1 of my video. I wanted to separate it into 2 because I didn't want the video to drag on for too long. And after today, I will be posting my first video onto my new channel, which is Toni Interior Vlogs. I will link the channel in the description box down below, and if you're not already subscribed to that channel, I would love it if you could come over and subscribe. There's going to be lots of vlogs and lifestyle, and I'm going to discuss my finances and budgeting. I'm going to discuss how to make a living from YouTube and how much money I earn on YouTube. I'm going to speak about social media also, and I'm going to do clothes hauls. It's going to be a little bit of everything basically, so I would love it if you would come over and subscribe. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope it gave you lots of motivation to have a little clean up and put your Christmas decorations away if they're not already away. And I'd just like to say thanks for watching, thanks for being here, and let's make 2021 absolutely amazing. See you soon everyone.